Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue our journey of learning the Korean nature words. We already learned a few words in the part 1 of this video series. If you have not watched that video yet, you can go and watch it first. Now, let's continue learning more words. First one is the Korean word for air, and that is 공기, 공기. Alright, next comes the Korean word for forest, and that is 숲, 숲. Okay, here comes the Korean word for grass, and that is 풀, 풀. Okay, next let's see the Korean word for lake, and that is 호수, 호수. Okay, now comes the Korean word for water. Though many of you might know what water is in Korean language, but because we are learning the nature related words in Korean language, so it is very important to include water in it. Okay, so the word for water is 물, 물. Alright, next comes the Korean word for land, and that is 땅, 땅. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for island, and that is 섬, 섬. Alright, next comes the Korean word for plant, and that is 식물, 식물. Okay, next let's see the Korean word for volcano, and that is 화산, 화산. Next comes the Korean word for sand, and that is 모래, 모래. Okay, so today we learned a few Korean words denoted for the various nature related terms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.